too. We're at Rainforest Cafe. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Our food here is like so good. Here, show you some. Isn't that right? So loud. I love coming here so much. Sorry if you guys can't hear me. Sorry, it's really bad. Okay, that's it for right now. Okay, bye.